Alright, this is the elevator at JCPenney at the Barton Creek Square. Down button. Oh, please don't tell me that this one's broken too. If it does even work. I hear the motor, so it probably does work. Oh, it does work. Okay, let's go down to 1. Thing's probably really slow though. You know, why am I even showing you the CE indicator? I'll just watch the button go out. Let's go to 2. It even lights up. There we go. Oh, I hear that motor better now. But unfortunately the fan is on. These are the fixtures. And that's the flow indicator, and it just says CE. I don't know why it's like that though. Alright, and there it goes. And that is it.